Welcome, curious minds, to today's exploration into the intricate world of electrocardiograms, or ECGs. Have you ever wondered how a simple graph of squiggly lines could hold the key to unraveling the mysteries of your heart? Imagine this: a heartbeat, the rhythm of life itself, captured on a piece of paper. But behind those seemingly chaotic patterns lies a wealth of information crucial for understanding heart health and diagnosing various medical conditions. Let me share a personal anecdote that might resonate with many of you. Picture a moment of uncertainty, sitting in a doctor's office, awaiting the results of an ECG test. The tension in the air is palpable as you ponder what secrets your heart might reveal. Stay tuned until the end of this video as we embark on a journey to demystify the world of electrocardiograms, empowering you to unlock the secrets hidden within the rhythms of your heart. Welcome back, explorers of the heart. Today, let's delve into the captivating history of electrocardiograms, tracing their origins and evolution over time. History of ECG. The story of the electrocardiogram begins over a century ago, in the late 19th century, with the pioneering work of Dutch physiologist Willem Einthoven. In 1903, Einthoven introduced the string galvanometer, a groundbreaking invention that revolutionized the field of cardiology. This ingenious device allowed for the precise measurement and recording of electrical signals produced by the heart. Einthoven's monumental contributions earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1924, solidifying the foundation for modern electrocardiography. Since then, ECG technology has undergone remarkable advancements, evolving from bulky machines to portable devices capable of real-time monitoring. But why is the history of ECG important? Understanding its roots provides us with insights into the challenges overcome and the milestones achieved in cardiac care. It reminds us of the tireless efforts of scientists and clinicians who dedicated their lives to unraveling the complexities of the human heart. Stay tuned as we journey through time, exploring the transformative impact of ECG on medical practice and the lives of countless individuals worldwide.